Have you ever felt tired? Or perhaps you just wanted to feel a sense of peace and a deep sense of relaxation? Well, in today's video, what I'm going to share with you is a 6 count breathing system that combines one of the holds that I teach during EFT practitioner training to release a cell memory. My name is Dr. Rangana Rupavi Choudhuri, and I train practitioners, coaches, and hypnotherapists to be the best versions of themselves personally and professionally. Welcome to this video, and if you would like to receive more videos like this, go ahead and click subscribe below, and then you will get notified as soon as I launch the next video. So coming back to today, and the 6 count breathing system. What we're going to do first is we're going to breathe in through the nose for 6 counts and out through the nose for 6 counts. Then we're going to breathe in through the nose for 6 counts and out through the mouth for 6 counts. So let's get started just by doing that. So 3, 2, 1. And now out. Let's do that again, okay? So 3, 2, 1. And out. I'm going to do it without holding the fingers because I lose myself a little bit when I hold the fingers. And I'm just going to count on the inside. And the rhythm I'm going to go in is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, go ahead and begin with me. And make sure the belly's really full, and then out for 6 counts. Emptying the belly out, that's it. Breathe in, filling in the belly. And out again. Wonderful. Now we're going to the next step of the process where you breathe in for 6 counts and out for 6 counts from the mouth. So let's go ahead and begin. Sometimes you can feel a little lightheaded, and that's okay. But just notice when you're focusing on the breath, you're focusing on the breathing, how the mind just winds down. And there's only this moment and this millisecond. Let's do the 6 count nose breathing and the 6 count mouth out breath again. And this time you can close your eyes if you want. So 3, 2, 1. Very good. Oh, I'm already beginning to feel so relaxed. Just breathing in for 6 and breathing out for 6. It's so relieving. I know this is used in hospitals, it's used by the military, by the army, just to give a sense of stillness and peace and calm. I love to do this 6 count breathing method before beginning anything, before I begin to maybe write a blog or an article, before I present a seminar, before I work with a client, just so that I might be completely present in this moment. Let's go ahead and do that again. And this time we're going to have the eyes closed. And I like to just place my hand here on the heart hold as well. Wonderful. Wow, that's so relieving. And now the next part is I'm going to get you to hold the 9 gamut. So when I teach EFT, when you hold the 9 gamut for 3 minutes, it releases a cell memory. So we're just going to hold the 9 gamut on the heart hold. So the heart hold is about acknowledging ourselves, letting ourselves know, I love you. I'm here for you. I love you. I'm here for you. So just holding the 9 gamut. I've got mine a little bit more raised so you can see. So if you need to move the hand a little bit lower, that's completely okay. So just hold it here and then we'll just breathe in for 6 through the nose, breathe out for 6 through the nose, breathe in for 6 through the nose, and breathe out for 6 through the mouth. So let's go ahead and begin. Wow, that feels so yummy, delicious. I feel so relaxed. What sweet luxury. So, to recap, breathe in through the nose for 6 counts, out through the nose for 6 counts. Breathe in through the nose for 6 counts and out through the mouth for 6 counts. Breathe in through the nose for 6 counts. And then for that, you have the hand on the heart and breathe out through the nose for 6 counts. Breathe in through the nose for 6 counts and out through the mouth for 6 counts. And then hold the 9 gamut with the heart hold. Breathe in for 6 through the nose, out for 6 through the nose. Breathe in for 6 through the nose and out the mouth for 6 counts. Beautiful. Let me know in the comments below what you loved about this technique and share with me what technique you would like next. So once you subscribe below, what will happen is you'll get immediately notified when my next video is available.